Good morning. All right, I did so good on yesterday's task list. I'm gonna see if I can do that good again. Fingers crossed. So here's the list for today. I gotta catch up on some blog posts. Holy Hannah, do I need to catch up. I have so many blog posts and 2 blogs, by the way. I do 2 different blogs, so it can be exhausting. Seriously, these bloggers put a lot of work into it. And unlike a lot of blogs, I don't get paid for my blog. I mean, I have some affiliate links on there and some ads. I mean, maybe on a good month, $10 a month. That's something I know I could, if I spent the time in researching it, I probably could make more, but it's not why I do it. I mean, it's fun. Don't get me wrong. Money's great. I'm just happy to help people and to teach people valuable skills and stuff. So yeah, but it is a lot of work, and it usually is lower on my priority list of getting things done. So I got both blogs I need to do some blog posts for. Even if I just get 1 or 2 blog posts done for each, I'm okay with that. I got to edit some videos. Again, the YouTube channel, videos like this take time to edit. And mine, I get, are not as professional and as amazing as some people's out there. It just kind of comes down to time is a big thing. So hopefully you've put up with my lack of editing skills or amazing video skills. So I'll get a couple posted on YouTube and all that. I'm hoping I can clean my closet out today. That's kind of a big chore in and of itself. That's why there's not very many other chores on there. And laundry. I did laundry yesterday, so I just need to fold it and put it away because, again, that's one of those things that just, gets put on a back burner. But let me show you my closet. No judgment. No judgment here. Oh my gosh. Okay, this looks so much worse in the video than I feel like it is in real life. But here's my laundry. I need to fold, put that on my bed. We have girls, I have a bunch of fabric and stuff for Addie's home ec class and Christmas pajamas. This closet needs some help. So that's my goal, is to organize this closet, and hopefully I don't get lost in the meantime as I try to organize it. Okay, just out of curiosity, I wanted to check on the status of the flies on here. So I see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flies on. There's a couple on the barbecue. Definitely not as many. Interesting. It's not quite as many flies as we had yesterday, but there are a few in there. Oh, Jordan must have gotten the eggs today. So, also, while I have you, come look at our garden. Look at that pumpkin. We got that one growing. We finally got a second little pumpkin growing down there. We've had a ton of blossoms, and they're just not turning into pumpkins. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if they are not getting pollinated or what. Super weird. But then we also have a bunch of, look how cute these little guys are. Oh, look at this one. It's a little tiny watermelon. I love it. We have quite a few watermelons like that growing. There's another little one. Oh, that's probably the biggest one back there. There's another couple of them over there. So kind of fun. We have quite a few watermelons growing. And the squash, we have a plethora. Let's see, that one, zucchini's probably about ready to pick. Yep, it is. Nice big one right there. I'm gonna pick that one. So we got a nice big zucchini. We'll let that other one grow for a day or 2 more, maybe 1 day, because they grow pretty fast. I'm gonna set the zucchini here. And let's see what else we got. Look at these plants, are huge. Look at all these little ones growing. And ouch, their leaves are pokey. I just picked a few yellow squash yesterday, but look at that one's ready. This may tend to come off a little easier. Nice big yellow squash. We also have some tomatoes right there. This one's got some blossoms, but no tomatoes as of yet. And let's look down in here. We got another crookneck going in there. Look at all those tomatoes coming in. Yay! I love me some fresh garden tomatoes. And this side, we've got quite a few coming in there. Yay for garden food! All right, so I started this yesterday and I just finished it today. Mostly because I was trying to come up with meal ideas. So this month's meal list, I try to kind of only do about 2 weeks at a time, just because we go off what we have in the fridge and freezer, and also what the grocery sales are. So I know it's only got 2 weeks. I'm not a whole month planner, because I just found the more that I planned for a whole month, the more things changed. So that's one thing I got done. Woot! On my wasn't really on my to-do list, but just following up from yesterday's freeze dryer batch, I have the Parmesan chicken, shredded beef, scrambled eggs, turkey, and bacon gravy. The bottom 4 are done. The Parmesan chicken, it's gonna need some more time. So I'm gonna take it out, bag these others, but I'm gonna put some candy on these shelves so they can run with this one on a more dry cycle, which you can totally do. So I guess my closet will have to wait for a little bit more. Or laundry in my closet. Darn it. I'm gonna put them on a back burner while I take care of this stuff, priorities. I just put a batch of candy in the freeze dryer to go with the chicken parm while it finishes. Let me show you what it is. Okay, I don't know how well you can see through the windows, but this top one, so the top one's the chicken parm, then you have Stroop waffles, then there's orange creamsicle gummy bears, and something behind those, I don't remember, Sweet Tarts maybe? And then Reese's Pieces, granola bars, and peach rings. And then the bottom one is dark, so it's got York peppermint patties, Junior Mints, and Charleston juice. It's 12:54. I'm still at my desk because my blog is having issues. I love WooCommerce, and I hate WooCommerce sometimes. I hate it when things don't work the way they're supposed to. That is like totally one of my pet peeves, just saying. Where did that go now? That is like one of my biggest pet peeves, is when something isn't doing what it's supposed to. Drives me insane. So yeah, this has pretty much consumed my day. If I can change that. This is like to get 1, 2, 3. Oh, I did. Okay. After reevaluating my list, I have done the videos. So I did do one thing off my list. And I have done 2 blog posts on one blog. The other blog, I don't know if I'll get to today because this is consuming my time. But I gotta... Okay. I think that may have fixed it. Let's hope. Let's hope. Because all this stuff is supposed to be automated. It angers me so that I have to go in and do it when it's supposed to be automated. Anyhow, I still gotta get stuff done. I gotta fold and put away laundry. I really should clean my house. But you know, it just sucks my life away, the blogs. It's a love-hate thing. Apparently kids aren't doing their chores. Okay, I'm officially got the problem fixed on my blog. That only took me like 4 hours. Technology, it's a love-hate thing. Oh, I forgot. Somebody was gonna email me. Oh, she didn't yet. Okay, so I'm in the clear. Yay! I got my blog post done and video uploaded, a third video. I outdid myself. My goal was to get a couple videos done today, and why do they always pick the least flattering pictures to be the cover of the video? Riddle me that, Batman. So, I'm gonna, yeah, we'll publish it now. So I've technically published 2 videos today and scheduled the third one for next week. So insider tip, these little videos of the day with me are gonna be about a week behind because I wanna give myself a buffer for editing and stuff. So I figure if I keep them about a week behind, then, you know, if I have a crazy day and I don't get to edit one, it's not the end of the world, you know. So that's a secret. Shh, don't tell people. So when I'm celebrating Halloween and it's like a week late, you'll know why. I'm just kidding. So, but I got that done. I've got to add that link to this blog post, and then I've got 2 blog posts done, and I've got 3 videos uploaded. I think I'm going to be done for the day on the computer just because the blog issues with WooCommerce took forever to figure out the problem and find it because everything looked fine. So that really consumed a lot of my day. I think I'm gonna get moving. I gotta fold some laundry. What else is on my list? Oh, my closet. The only things left on my list are to clean my closet and fold laundry. Closet's kind of a long job. Maybe I'll start it. All right, I gotta get moving. Look at this roast I put in the crock pot for dinner tonight. I just barely added some potatoes and carrots. Yummo! There's dinner. Now who can get anything done when you have a sweet little puppy wuppy wanting love? This is my, let's see if I can, this is my sweet puppy wuppy. You can give me a hug. I want to cuddles. Okay, okay. She's my cuddle puppy. And seriously, how can I fold laundry when there's a puppy that needs love? She just needs some love. She's a happy dog though, huh? Okay, yes, she's so happy. Do you see it? This isn't my fault. There's so much to do in a day. Oh, I need to go check on dinner too. Now that I've loved on you, I gotta go wash my hands again. Yeah. So many distractions. And we got another puppy. A big boy. Big puppy wuppy down there is getting jealous. Triggers. Okay, he left. All right. Let's go check on dinner. And then eventually... Oh, and I have all this mail to go through too. All these things keep getting put in my way on top of laundry. I really got it. I've kind of at this point given up on the closet today. I had the unexpected issues with the blog. I don't think I'm going to get to that closet. Well, I mean, it is only 5:40. Miracles can happen. I'm not holding out hope for that closet today. But that's okay. I can do it tomorrow. It can just carry over to tomorrow. But I think I can do this laundry. There's only 2 baskets on my bed after dinner. So I go to all this trouble of making a roast in the crock pot, putting potatoes and carrots. Look at that. Doesn't it look amazing? Saute some squash and zucchini fresh from our garden. And nobody's home for dinner. Well, okay, scratch that. Jordan's home. Bella's home. and I'm home. Addie and Kenzie have decided they're going out to dinner somewhere. Marshall's working. Brady's gone out with a friend, and Tony is working late tonight, so he'll eat, I guess, when he gets home. Why do I go to all this trouble on a day that nobody's gonna even be here? Jordan's gonna eat a lot though and make up for it, right?
Not even that hungry.
Seriously? He's not even hungry. Story of my life. Well, all in all, not too bad. I got blog post done for A to Z for Moms Like Me. That blog, actually, I did like 2 or 3 blog posts. Same with videos. I ended up doing like 3 videos and got them posted to YouTube. I did fold and sort laundry. I just have one pile needs to go in drawers and one pile needs to go in hangers in the closet. Then I'm done with laundry. Woot woot. So I think my closet's gonna get bumped to tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm ready to kick back and relax. I think I'll pop on a good documentary. I started watching this good documentary. What's it called? Mystery Explorers? Mystery something. Anyhow, the first episode is about Adolf Hitler. And it's very interesting. But anyhow, I love a good documentary. Always something to learn. So, yeah, I think I'm going to kick back, watch that while I hang up laundry, and enjoy the rest of my evening. It's 7 o'clock. So, here we go. I'll see you tomorrow. Actually, I lied. One more thing. So, my son made this the other day. Oh, it's so good. All it is, so refreshing. So, all it is watermelon and ice. Excuse me, no water. Like, you don't have to add any water because it has the watermelon. Watermelon has water in it. So you just do watermelon and ice, blend it up so it's like a slushy. And then I add a couple packets of True Lime in it. So good. It's like a Slurpee or something, but it's just watermelon and ice and a little bit of lime. It's really, really good. So totally, you should try it because it's amazing.